Hi everyone, this is Remy from Aura Games Legends. I'm here to introduce you to Chaosphere, Etonak Vanguard, or at least its gameplay, with a focus on the game's main mechanics. This video will be in French, but we'll add English subtitles, and we'll even try to dub it in English. Let's dive into the game's core mechanics. Let's start by looking at the 4-player ships available in the base box. Each of these ships has its own characteristics, attack style, special ability, and upgrade cost, since every ship has an upgraded side. I'll explain that in a moment. So, when I pick a ship, what do? I look at the stats on the left. Those are your resources. These are the resources you'll be managing the most during your playthrough. For example, if I choose this ship, I'll start with 3 engineers, which I place here like this. Then I have 2 assault power tokens I place here. And for missiles, I place 4, and so on. On the right side of the shipboard, I have my hit points. That's an important resource. It's much harder to recover them during the game. We'll see that later. Alright, so now my cockpit is basically ready. If I go with this ship, I also notice that I have 2 initiative points here, which are useful during battles, and I also start with luck points. Luck points let you reroll failed attempts, or help you repair parts of your ship during your run. Each ship has its own battle phases. During a battle, we resolve fights from left to right, from phase 1 to 6, using missiles, lasers, or shields. I'll go over that in the combat-focused video. Each ship has a unique ability. This one, for example, can use engineering power as assault power, making it more versatile. This one can equip 2 weapons, giving it a lot more firepower. We'll see how weapons work later. But in exchange, it has fewer hit points and weaker base stats. This one is a tank. Its capacity allows it to skip phase 6 and move directly to boarding, a 7th phase where ships compare their assault power to determine the outcome. And this one is more balanced, focused on attack and defense. It has an interesting ability. Once per sector, it can skip an exploration it doesn't like. In addition, if I pay the cost and upgrade my ship by flipping it over, I get an instant reward that you can see at the bottom left. Each reward is different. This one gains 1 luck point. This one allows you to instantly draw and equip technologies. The upgraded ship retains its special ability, which may or may not be an upgraded version. You may also receive a bonus to stats, attacks, or defenses, which varies. The compartments you see here on the ship's dashboards represent your ability to use your ship's systems. If, during combat, one of these compartments is damaged and destroyed, you will lose access to the associated attack or defense actions for the rest of the battle. And that's pretty much it for player ships. I'll tell you more when we discuss combat in the next video.